The keto diet and its remarkable health benefits. The ketogenic diet, often referred to as the keto diet, is a low-carb, high-fat eating plan designed to induce a state of ketosis in the body. This means that it encourages the body to primarily burn fat for energy instead of carbohydrates. Foods commonly included in a keto diet are healthy fats, avocados, olive oil, coconut oil, butter, nuts, and seeds. Proteins, fish, meat, poultry, eggs, and tofu. Non-starchy vegetables, leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers. Dairy, cheese, yogurt, and cream, preferably full-fat. Low-sugar fruits, berries like strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries in moderation. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts. Sweeteners, stevia, erythritol, and monk fruit, in moderation. Health benefits of the keto diet include weight loss. By drastically reducing carbohydrate intake, the body switches to burning fat for fuel, leading to rapid weight loss. Reduced inflammation. The keto diet may lower inflammation markers, potentially benefiting those with conditions like arthritis or chronic inflammatory disorders. Lower triglycerides and increased